In my experience of working with hundreds of engineers moving through career transitions, I believe that the job search process and the hiring process is broken. And I want to talk about some ways that maybe we can fix this together. Let's jump in. Hey there, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert, author of The Intentional Engineer and The Intentional Career Guide to Professional Networking. And I'm all about helping people create careers and lives they love. Now, that said, that often means that people are trying to make significant changes, find a new job or career opportunity or company that is in greater alignment with who they are, their values, and where they want to take their lives and their career. But the problem is that the process of moving through the job search process and jumping through all the hoops and going through multiple layers of interviews, or maybe never even hearing back from most companies that you ever apply to or reach out to, it feels broken. And so I want to use this as a call to action. Like, can we change this? Can we work together to change this? When I look at the data, the vast majority of people, it's somewhere around 70% of applications that get put in never get responded to. So that, first of all, like, companies, can we please do a better job, but at least letting people know if they're not getting the job that they applied to? Just put them at ease. They'd rather have a rejection than no information at all. Second, ghosting. Whether or not this is a recruiter who starts an interaction and a conversation and then never gets back, or they go through a hiring process and then never hear back there. That's a terrible, terrible interaction with you and your company. You don't want people thinking that you are a company that ghosts people. There's no reason to ghost them because you're already invested in talking with them. And especially if you interview them, why not have a great experience and give them some useful, meaningful feedback on the way, even if you're not going to select them for the role. Another issue I see sometimes is people go through the process and they kind of get sold that the role and the company and the job is going to look one way, and they get in there. They even get hired. They may move their family to another part of the state or across the country or across the world and find out that the realities of what the new role is completely different than expectations. So they're not very clear and transparent in that whole experience. Maybe you've had some of these experiences yourself. But the whole point I want to get across is that behind every resume and application, there's a real person that deserves to be treated like a human. And so my hope is that companies and softwares that help companies do these things can create systems that help treat people like people at every step along the way and get us closer to understanding the human so we can find matches that are in greater alignment with companies and individuals that can find a mutual beneficial hiring fit. Now, this is one of the reasons I've partnered with my friends at Hire Aligned, who are all about moving through a process and helping companies increase alignment in their hiring process. And I invite you to go check them out and what they're up to. But overall, I just plead with all of us, can we do what we can to fix this? Hiring should be more human, more transparent, and more responsive. Even a simple no is better than nothing at all. Even better, give people meaningful feedback and tell them how they can improve and what you saw in them in terms of potential, and invite them to try again later, or maybe even send them with some referrals or other things that might be good fits for them. Show them respect and they'll love you for it, even if you don't choose them to hire them. I believe that the companies that do this and go the extra mile in the candidate experience will also reap huge benefits in their company results, because those are going to be the places that the best people want to work at and come to, because they give everyone a great experience, not just their clients, but they see their employees or potential employees as evangelists for their company as well. So if you have any influence on these things, I invite you to do what you can within your sphere of influence to change them. And if I can be an advisor or help you move through these things, please reach out and talk to me. I'd love to hear from you, and we can work together to make your hiring experience more pleasurable and impactful one to get the right people faster, more efficiently, and treat everyone with the respect that they deserve. Thanks so much for watching. Hope this has been helpful for you, and look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.